Hello everyone, welcome to GlitchSip. In this video, I'm going to show you what we are going to be able to do if a security failure has been detected, according to Roblox. For that, what we are going to have to do in this case would be to head to what is the Windows plus R button. That is, we are going to press Windows plus R. In this way, the following panel is going to appear. This panel is a Run panel. In this panel, what we are going to have to do is simply type %. We are going to put local app data, and we finish with a %, which would be this command here. And we are going to click Accept. Inside this, we are going to find various folders in which we are going to have to look for the Roblox folder. So we simply look for it, and we are going to delete what are these folders. If you have some folders inside this section, we are simply going to delete the one that says Roblox. In my case, I have two. We are going to delete Roblox and we are going to delete Roblox. That is, these two here. In that way, very probably the problem will be solved. In this way, to be able to play Roblox without any inconvenience, what we are going to have to do is open the Microsoft Store, and inside the Microsoft Store, we are going to download Roblox. That is, we are no longer going to play it through the browser, but we are going to install Roblox for Windows. We are simply going to click on Play, and the launcher is practically going to be the same. And well, that would be all.